Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a booklet in Canva. Now what you're going to do is utilize the templates. This is the easiest way to get this done. From here, go ahead and just type here booklet and then go ahead and enter this one. Now if you don't have a subscription in Canva or Canva Pro, what you can do is just utilize these free stuffs here. You'll see that they're free when they don't have that crown here saying that it's pro. Now, say for example, this is the booklet that we're going to be working with today. I'm going to go ahead and click this one, click Customize this template, and there you go. So from here, you can basically change everything. If you have a branding, for example, you can go ahead and change the colors. Go ahead and change this one here, for example. Click color, and then let's try to change it to something else. Let's say, for example, this green right here. I'm going to click this one. And then if you want to change all this color into something else or the new one that you have chosen, go ahead and click change all here. And what it does is that it's going to change everything. As you can see, every single thing that that green or that blue was once using. All right, now from this point forward, you can go ahead and customize other things. Say, for example, the text, you can do that as well. Click this one, click green, and then click change all. And it's gonna go ahead and change all of those texts as well into the color that you have chosen. The same thing with the others. Now, if say, for example, you don't like the element, like the image here, you can go ahead and delete that one. I can go ahead and click delete and you can see that it's gone. Now you can go ahead and look for another element that you think would fit here. Say for example, let's go ahead and try or make this a bit sporty. All right, click graphics, or if not graphics, you can also go ahead and choose from photos. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and utilize something. Let's say this one. Gonna go ahead and put it here below, just like so. And then, yeah, you can go ahead and make some or all sorts of adjustments. Say, for example, you don't like this element, you can click that one, and let's go ahead and find something like dots or dotted. Okay, there you go. So let's go ahead and utilize some dots here. All right, this one, for example, we can put that there, resize this one just so it fits the entire thing. And if you don't like it too much, you can go ahead and adjust its opacity. I'm gonna go ahead and put this at, let's say, 40, and let's see it. All right, I think that's good. Now you can go ahead and try to customize more down here. Of course, what you're going to be or what is going to be the content of everything. So, yep, that is the easiest way in order for you to create a booklet here in Canva.